Messenger RNA is the most ancient information and communication technology. It has been invented by nature actually in order to transcribe and translate the genomic information in every cell into action. It basically starts with the discovery of natural mRNA and its role, and this was 60 years ago. And in those last decades, we have learned as a scientific community a lot about mRNA, and our part it is mainly about making mRNA suitable as a drug format. Immediately when we understood that there is a pandemic, it was clear to us mRNA technology is an excellent option. We had started years ago to develop the technology such that we could use it as a vaccine against cancer. And that is a really high-hanging fruit. Cancer is a very complex disease. We have learned for how to better manufacture, upscale mRNA. Regulators have learned about mRNA and have a better understanding how its safety is, how to regulate its development and its use. Health systems have learned about mRNA, and all this can now be fed back into development of other types of mRNA drugs. One application format of mRNA is to provide a wanted poster which clearly tells the immune system to look for this enemy and to attack it. We are using this format for COVID-19 vaccines, but we are also developing this vaccine format for vaccines against malaria, against tuberculosis, against HIV, and cancer, as you know. We have started with mRNA cancer vaccines in clinical trials many years ago. We get very strong immune responses. That is the first step towards the holy grail of cancer vaccination. The root cause why our treatment paradigms in cancer are not powerful so far is that cancers are unique. mRNA is the portal to personalization of cancer treatment, for example, cancer vaccination. We have already treated hundreds of patients in clinical trials with tailored cancer vaccines, which have been informed by the unique cancer molecular feature of every individual patient. This we think is really only feasible by a technology which is as versatile as mRNA. The European Union has already the lead in mRNA technology, and now the task is not to lose the lead. We all know on the level of the individuals, on the level of the nations, that we only can thrive and that we only can address the contemporary needs and crises in this world with joint efforts.